Everyone, it's me again, pinkyharu. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a Tanoshi ramen video. It's called Popin Cookin, and we're gonna do this. And there's also instructions that we're gonna go one by one in this video. And we also have an assistant, which is Daddy.
Hello.
And we're gonna do this together. So this is what we're gonna make, and then we're gonna do it, and we'll try to eat it and see what it tastes like. And let's go. Let's open it and let's see what's inside the box. So this is the dough powder, and this is the mango pudding. This is soup. This is the ingredients. And this one is the noodle powder. You might need it for this. Comes with a fork that we have to like mix it and stir. And this, oh, these are chopsticks for like the noodles. Very interesting. And this is the plate, and where you like squeeze the dough in. Here are the instructions. Is make mango pudding, make ramen topping, make gyoza dumplings, make spring roll, make ramen, remove mango pudding, and that's it. Okay, so what's the first step?
We're gonna fill half of that.
Okay, we're gonna go. Is this halfway? I think this is halfway. And then do the mango pudding.
Add the mango.
We're supposed to use the fork. Ooh, it smells good.
Okay, now we can let it sit.
And
Then we're gonna cut this up.
yes.
Now this way. And that way. And
So we're gonna put
The noodle
up to
powder.
the line.
Yes, up to
Water.
Okay. I need to stop.
good. And this one. Everything goes in there. You gotta keep stirring it. And this is what you could pause because this when you get it's time consuming. You got to spin it here. This has to be thick.
Yes, I'll make the next step. Make gyoza dumplings. We have to do the dough.
Yummy.
Yes.
Of dough in the narrow egg mold. So this is the mold. But wait. Oh, we're doing the same thing to this one? Where are we making? Well, no, this is the egg. I guess because of that, yeah. Add water.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's mix it.
Then we're gonna mix this one now.
Those like that? Oh, this one you get stick quick.
So you can see this is drying. Same as this is getting thick.
Ramen.
And this is the
This is the dough. Oh.
I think the dough might be ready. So how many? 2 pieces of the dough and fill it.
I have to
2 pieces.
and need a little piece. Right?
We make little tiny balls.
And then we do this. This is for the gyoza dumplings.
This one.
That's for the ramen topping. You have to make it flat.
Oh, we're gonna make it a little bigger. Okay. And then, oh, we gotta make 4. We gotta make 4, okay. Okay.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, we did.
Daddy.
Of course not.
Why you didn't wash your hands? Ew, boy germs.
Why would I wash my hands?
Boy germs. Yep.
So we're going here. I don't even know what this is for.
They smell good. If you ever try this, please try it. So good. We have to add sprinkles on it.
So where are we adding sprinkles? To where? We need spring rolls. We gotta make a spring roll. And this is gonna be our egg.
And now we gotta do the spring. Where's the spring roll?
Okay. Spring roll for here? Is that the spring roll? Huh? Spring roll. Make powder from the red packet. Yeah.
No,
The mango pudding looks dry now. Oh my.
oh, this is sprinkles. I'm sorry, this is sprinkles.
MJ!
Okay.
Where did you put the sprinkles?
Okay, so let's make ramen.
Oh my gosh. If you don't know, guys, but ramen means ramen in Korean.
¿Qué demonios es esto?
You know that's Coke, right?
Oh,
That's Coke. Yeah.
Smell it.
Oh, this is good.
We're supposed to put the ramen here, and then we squirt it on the soup.
ah, okay.
And then there, see? Make sure you have every inch of the ramen.
And then, oh yeah, put some there.
There we go.
Put some, and the other ones too, right?
Gotta make a little hole, right? I guess, yeah.
Oh wait, it does look like the dumplings.
And then,
This is a dumpling.
so we're gonna start making the ramen.
I'm gonna put the Oh, the sprinkles can also. Oh, I want to try it. Please, can I try?
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh,
You have
this is
to
good.
squeeze from the top, okay?
Squeeze the.
Don't break the. Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on.
Nice. These are my dumplings and spring rolls. I can tell they're spring rolls because like yummy, yummy. OMG. Even my mom's laughing when she's recording it. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, yummy egg. Oops.
Okay. Whoever's watching this, please don't dislike, please.
There's the egg. I'm going to take some of this.
You eat it.
Ooh. Okay.
Aha, makes work. Daddy, let's eat. So these, I don't get to know if they're dumplings or not. So. Daddy, put them in here. Oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
You want to eat now? I'm getting hungry, huh? Want to eat? Did you just sprinkle the mango pudding?
Yeah, make it as a decoration. Here's the.
Made it. Wow, this looks delicious. Awesomely delicious. I had some help with my daddy and I love this food. Wow, I really want to eat it. Eat some. Let me eat. Let's go eat. Let's test it. Mmm. This tastes good. Oh. Mmm. I think I might eat the dumplings. You just sprayed some soup on me.
Mmm.
Okay, let's eat
That was
these.
good.
Wow.
Best noodles I ever had in my life.
Did you even try the soup yet? It's your favorite Coke. I'm gonna eat everything. Even the mango pudding. Appa, did you even try the soup yet?
Yeah, I taste the soup. It's Coke.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Did you even forget about the egg and the toast? Mmm.
Now we're gonna try.
Cut a slice. Wow. Ah. Mmm. Tastes like candy. Drink the soup now. I know you like Coke. I'm gonna drink all
Tangerine.
of it. Yummy.
The soup.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat all of this. Oh. Yummy. Well, all that food was very
Overall, out of 5, what do you give it?
I give 7. Maybe I should do another one because that was really fun and yummy. It's yummalicious. For my video. I hope you all enjoy. That was really fun. Next time, really soon, I'm gonna do more fun videos, even with my dad. Can you stop doing that? And thank you for watching. I hope I get lots of subscribers. And goodbye.